Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some Amazon merch specific niche research. Of course, if it's trending on Amazon, you can probably sell it on other marketplaces like Etsy, Walmart, even eBay with your best sellers. But today we are starting with Amazon. I'm going to show you how I find high demand, new trends, and how we evaluate what keywords and sub niches to associate with those trends. Let's get to it. For today's tutorial, we're going to be using Merch Dominator. I'm going to link to that in the description so you can follow along. Now within Merch Dominator, I'm going to go to MDA and KDP on the left-hand side, and I'm going to click Best Sellers. Now, if I do nothing, it's going to load in the highest demand t-shirts right now by default, while also attempting to filter out the big protected brands, okay? Now, just because you see it behind me does not mean that it's safe. For instance, I would not be caught dead selling this one right here that is referring to, the Kansas City Chiefs and Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift. Of course, those are going to be popular right now, but the last thing I would ever do is risk my Amazon merch account trying to sell something like that. That's not the point of this video. The next thing I want to do, because I want to hone in on like the new trends, not the 100 days of school that everybody knew was coming, that people have been preparing for a month or longer, right? Just like Valentine's Day, that we know that's going to be trending, but there will be opportunities other than Valentine's Day between now and then. So where it says sorting, I'm going to change BSR to newest, and then I'm going to hit search again. Now what it's doing is it is looking at recent new products submitted to Amazon merch that have already made sales. Look at how good this is, guys. This is what makes Merch Dominator so valuable. I mean, there's a ton of things that make Merch Dominator valuable, but this is by far my favorite feature, if you couldn't tell. Look at the first one, respect the groundhog. So you didn't need to know that Groundhog Day is right around the corner. You see the groundhog shirt and you're like, oh, okay, this is in demand. And you can go figure out why it's in demand, okay? The next one, I Stand with Texas. Next one, Yoga Babe. I mean, that could just be, an evergreen that just got posted and made a sale. I don't know if that's necessarily trending for a specific reason, but typically what I'll do is I'll look for repetition. So in the 4 spot, I Stand with Texas, Don't Mess with Texas. The next one, Come and Take It. The next one says Come and Take It, and I'm guessing that's another Texas reference. I really don't spend much time watching the news. Honestly, like 0 time watching the news. I'm not a fan at all. But you know what I mean? Clearly, whatever the news is talking about, it's going to generate some interest, especially if it's something new, something that people get passionate about. Next thing you know, you're going to be selling t-shirts related to it. Just make sure, of course, that it's safe. The people that work for Amazon merch ultimately determine what is safe and what is not safe. So, you know what I mean? It is what it is. We play by their rules. But the Texas thing, we see some repetition. We're going to come back to the screen, but I wanted to show you. So if we're seeing some repetition with Texas already, we can go down here on the left-hand side where it says keywords and then go to keyword analysis. Now here we can literally go to where it says search keyword and we can type in the word Texas, all right? And then we can hit search. By the way, if you don't want to sell t-shirts, you want to sell, I don't know, hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases, etc., you can click, you can change that product type drop down before hitting search. So I went ahead and searched for Texas. Check this out, guys. Keyword, Second Amendment flag is trending. American flag is trending. American flag 2x3, 3x5, 4x6, American flag shirt, American flag with pole. So down here we keep, it's not all going to translate directly into actionable insights for Amazon merch. Sometimes it will though, right? Like the flag stuff, by the way, I mean, you can sell print on demand flags outside of Amazon merch. So if you don't limit the scope of what you sell, that could be representative of some opportunity. Again, I do recommend taking that complementary approach. Sell on Amazon merch, also sell on Amazon Seller Central. If you use the Printful integration, you can go ahead and list those flags. But yeah, check this out. So come and take it, right? What did we just see on these t-shirts? Come and take it, come and take it. Well, guess what? That is also a trending keyword or phrase in this case when we seeded the search with the keyword Texas. So this is a great way to find potentially other things as well. It's not guaranteed. Come and take it flag, come and take it sticker. So as this is kind of an emerging newer trend, newer movement, at least as far as I know, don't just go for the low-hanging fruit of selling it on a merch t-shirt. Why not expand it into a flag and a sticker? You see it right there. There's interest. Don't tread on me. So there definitely could be more potential. You kind of also have to know, guys, like when you see Texas Longhorns, do a little bit of research. to keep your account safe, because Longhorns are a football team, right? College team. Anything else that we see here? Yeah, it's getting into kind of more random stuff right now. So, but at least you're seeing that the come and take it, we could have found that without seeing the best-selling t-shirts. You know what I mean? We could have found it right here based on purely search interest. Okay, so there's other ways. That was a roundabout way to go and find opportunities for you to find like new trends, right? We like new trends. Why do we like new trends? Right? I used to be a teacher. I used to teach web development for 7.5 years in college. This is where I'd call on somebody in the classroom. I'd say, why do we like new trends as opposed to trends in general? And they would say, because new trends probably come with reduced competition because it's new. So hopefully you guys got that. Let's see what else is trending. 101 days smarter. We've got 100 days of school. Well, we've got 101 days of school. Mardi Gras sales are picking up. Barred permanently. I'm not 100% why that is trending, but let's see if it gives us any. I'm not the master of every single trend. So by the way, you scroll down here on the detail page, you can see additional long tail keywords sometimes that give you additional insights. We can also go to the keyword search here and just say barred, or barred permanently. Let's see what that comes up with, but let's go back here while it loads. Come and take it with the fence. Pal World, which looks like a video game. I would definitely skip that. Activity Squad, there could be potential there. I would look further into that. Girl Scout cookie dealer. So maybe we go, by the way, this is how I would actually do it. I would reopen on a new tab, bestsellers, and I would type something like cookie dealer and just see what comes up. Evaluate the BSRs of the products here to see if this is just a one-off, like one shirt was uploaded and it got a sale and now we're seeing it on the new listings with sales here. Or is there more to it? So BSR 30,000, BSR 40,000, BSR 53,000, BSR 73,000. I think this is a pretty good opportunity, but be careful with your keywords. I'm guessing if you submit something that says Girl Scout, probably gets rejected. I am guessing though, I'm a talking head on the screen. You are responsible for your account. Always look into that for yourself. Be safe, safety first, right? Notice, what do you see? A lot of, honestly, shirts for parents of the Girl Scouts. I guess that makes sense actually, because don't the Girl Scouts wear their Girl Scout uniforms? So the security shirts, right? Where have we seen the security shirts before? Halloween, we see them all the time. Mermaid security, right? The young kids go dressed as mermaids. The parents wear their mermaid security shirts. So what do you know? The Girl Scouts are selling their cookies, and the cookie dealer security or the dad of the cookie dealer shirts are selling pretty well right now. Anybody that has Girl Scouts, you probably already knew that the cookies were around and being sold. So hopefully you got in early on that niche. Who knew that was a niche? Everything's a niche. Hootin' leads to hollerin'. Sounds like another Texas niche. Another come and take it. Behind me here, it says OBGYN crew. So you've got Activity Squad, OBGYN crew. I stand with Texas. I stand with Texas. Don't mess with Texas. I have selected hearing. Sorry you weren't selected today. You guys get this though, right? A lot of Texas stuff. Okay, a lot of Texas stuff. Take a hint. Like the whole point of Merch Dominator doing what they do that no other merch tool is doing, which is looking for the recently uploaded, like as recently as uploaded today, products on Amazon Merch, which is, probably an unfathomable number of products are uploaded, like easily 10,000 plus every day. Yet they're still identifying the new submissions with sales. Probably not with 100% certainty, but probably as good as they possibly can. And then we get a glimpse of that within seconds here with Merch Dominator. So let's go back to the keyword search. We typed in barred, and it doesn't really look like it's giving us anything related to that niche. So maybe we try barred permanently and see if that comes up with better results. And again here too, guys, like if there's a niche that you don't necessarily understand, you can do the detailed view here on Merch Dominator. You can come down here, see the short and long tail keyword suggestions. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to solve the mystery of why it's trending. You can also go to Google. Okay, there you go. So it is related to Nikki Haley. I know she was running for the presidential election in the Republican Party, right? Sorry if you guys knew that and you're like wanting to scream at me through the computer. I figured it out. So it's related to another trend though. All of these things that are coming, evolving, you know what I mean? The evolving presidential ticket for the Republicans in 2024. Again, it led us to another trend. And what did we have to do to find it? All right. So typing barred permanently did not really come up with good keyword analysis keywords. It's not always guaranteed, guys. That's the thing. It's not always guaranteed because it's literally based on search volume associated with what we typed into the primary search keyword text box, right? Sometimes it's going to give great results. I typically like to do one-off keywords, so that's why I tried Bard first, or just the keyword Texas, right? Anyways, I mean, hopefully you guys get the point of this video. I really just, okay, there it is, Bard permanently. So yeah, I scroll down a little bit further, and what do you know? Another thing I'm noticing though, before we wrap this video, check behind me here. I'm gonna hide myself. Dental Squad is trending right there. And then we scroll down just a little bit further and you have another dentist shirt right over here. So perhaps dentist shirts are trending right now. Maybe there's a holiday I missed. A little bit further, 100 Days of School, Year of the Dragon, Chinese New Year. And before we wrap the video, another trend that's coming, the Black History Month shirts. You've got the HBCUs. There's another one here behind me. If I just scroll a little bit, okay, it's 2024. It's a new year. You've got shirts trending with the 2024, uncle of 2024 basketball player, etc. And this shirt right here, I don't know why this is trending. If you guys caught my video yesterday, we caught it trending while doing Etsy niche research. Damn, I might have to call in thick today. I have no clue, right? I have no clue why it is so popular, but here it is again, guys. So take a hint, and you may have no clue why it is so popular, but with Merch Dominator, linked in the description, by the way, it is putting these trends right there in front of us, and so little effort, right? We didn't have to type anything into the search bar. We literally, just to recap, you go to bestsellers on the sidebar, okay? And then you change sorting, which is gonna default to BSR, to newest, hit search, and just scroll, look for repetition, do a little bit more research, but it's doing a pretty good job of putting bestsellers or, upcoming niches right in front of us. I shouldn't say bestsellers because when you sort by newest, it's not technically looking at bestsellers. It's just looking for new submissions that made a sale recently. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please drop a like and subscribe if you're not already. If you haven't checked out Merch Dominator, definitely go give it a try. And I will see you guys soon with a new video.